A business plan is your roadmap, a guide for you, not just a document for investors. It helps you clarify your vision, set goals, and map out the steps to achieve them. Without a plan, you're just guessing. With one, you make informed decisions. The real value is in the planning process. You'll spot weaknesses, discover strengths, and test ideas before spending money. Your plan connects your long-term vision, strategy, with the specific actions, tactics you'll take. It's a tool to track progress, adapt to changes, and stay focused. Don't be intimidated. Start with notes or bullet points. This guide will walk you through each section, step by step. The goal, a practical plan that helps you build a successful business. It's your story, your vision, and your path forward. This is the first concrete step toward making your entrepreneurial dream a reality. Let's get started. The executive summary is the first section, but right at last. It's a snapshot of your whole plan. Think of it as your business's trailer mission, product, target customers, structure, competitive edge, and key financials. If you need funding, state how much and why. Keep it concise and compelling. Next, the industry overview. Show you've done your homework. Describe your industry's size, trends, and growth. Prove there's a real market. Mention key regulations, licenses, or permits you'll need. Addressing legal requirements shows you're prepared and serious. Ignoring this can lead to costly mistakes. This section proves you understand the world your business will operate in. Set the stage for the rest of your plan. Now let's analyze your market. Market analysis proves there are customers for your product. Define your target market. Be specific about who they are and what they need. Build a detailed customer profile to guide your marketing. Analyze your competition. Who are they? What are their strengths and weaknesses? Identify your unique selling proposition. What sets you apart? With this knowledge, outline your marketing and sales strategy. How will you reach customers? Social media, local ads, email, or word of mouth? Explain your pricing and how it compares to competitors. Detail your promotional plans, discounts, events, loyalty programs. Describe your sales process online, in-store, or through a team. Show how you'll turn leads into paying customers. This section connects your product to your audience. A great product needs a great plan to reach the right people. Investors invest in people as much as ideas introduce your team and structure. State your legal structure and why you chose it. List owners and their shares. Highlight key management brief bios focused on relevant experience. Identify any team gaps and your plan to fill them. Describe your business location, physical or online, and why it works. Outline your daily operations workflow, equipment suppliers, and technology. Show you've thought through logistics and resources. Detail how you'll deliver your product or service from start to finish. This makes your business real and credible. Prove you know what it takes to run things smoothly. Operations turn your plan into action. The financial plan turns your ideas into numbers. Can your business be profitable? Start with a realistic sales forecast based on your market research. List all expenses, fixed and variable. Create a cash flow statement to track money in and out. Calculate your break-even point, how much you need to sell to cover costs. If seeking funding, state how much you need and how you'll use it. Lenders want a clear, credible plan for their investment. End with supporting documents. Market research, charts, key team resumes, legal documents, and product images. These add credibility and back up your claims. A strong financial plan shows you're ready for success. Numbers tell your business's story. With your plan complete, you're ready to launch. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.